Game's over. You lose. Don't do it. Those cowboys will take you dead or alive. Nice to meet you, Miss Buck. My name's Marzak.
She's not part of this.
Is that so?
I forced her to bring me here.
Yeah. She looks like an innocent girl. Sit down. Sit down. I had it all figured out every inch of the way. I let those cowboys run around playing games. I waited for you to send me a postcard. First, you hitched a ride on a stock trailer, right? Right. Then you picked up a little care package in the Frio River and boogie-woogied across the desert. Then came the fun part. The Potts Brothers Family Circus. You did a job on those boys, too. I guess you did learn something 3 years in stir, didn't you? Hmm? I would have had you yesterday if it wasn't for Miss Buck's taxi service. You should have just kept on going. Stopping off for a piece of ass. Bad idea. Because now, your ass is mine.
Well, then I think you better just kill me right now. Because there is no way I'm going back with you.
No?
No. I've done too much time already for nothing.
You're breaking my heart.
You lose, Marzak. I beat you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I made it out, and I'm staying out. So why don't you go ahead and pull that damn trigger and get it over with?
You through?
Go on, do it. Go on!
Don't! Let's get out of here.
Downstairs.
Hey, wait a minute. I gotta get my papers. Oh, come on, put your hands down. I need to get my safety deposit box.
Yes, sir, your key.
What?
For the box, it requires 2 keys.
Give him the keys.
Come on, move it! That must be his car. He's got us locked in, damn it. Stop the car. Now, wait here.
You had your chance. Should have killed me.
You're too soft, Eddie.
Yeah. I had you figured out from A to Z. Right? I asked you a question. Am I right?
Yeah, you had me figured, Marzak.
Right, Mazak. Not some shit-kicking cowboy. Did my homework, didn't I?
Yeah, you're a goddamn genius.
You're damn right I am.